Silence. Listen to it. Before every war, there is a moment like this. Still, breath held, the world waiting. This is not the beginning of a book. This is the moment you stop running from your own mind. Every journey begins in silence. Every battle begins within. I honor the shadows that whispered my name, the demons that tested my resolve, the storms that forged the steel of my mind. Without their fire, these words would carry no power, no purpose, no truth. To the mentors and unseen guides, whose light cut through confusion, you revealed the path when I could not see it. To the GSP elite holders, your belief turned vision into reality. You are not witnesses. You are architects of this awakening. And to you, the one listening right now, may you meet your inner demon. May you feel the fear without turning away. May you rise beyond the voice that kept you small. Every struggle hides a spark. Every shadow carries a key. This is not a collection of pages. This is a forge. Destroy what controls you. Awaken what defines you. This is dedicated to those who dare to look inward, to face the darkness no applause can see, to those who wrestle fear, doubt, and pain, and refuse to surrender their identity to them, to the seekers, the thinkers, the silent fighters, the ones who fall and stand again. This path is yours, your battle, your rebirth, your ascent, from shadow to unstoppable light. The mind is a battlefield, not a metaphor, a battlefield. Every thought is a soldier. Every emotion carries a weapon. Every memory holds a position. And inside you, a war has been happening. For years, fear has spoken in your voice. Doubt has worn your face. Regret has guided your decisions. Told you to wait. Told you to hesitate. Told you tomorrow was safer than today. That voice has a name. It is the enemy that survives inside comfort. And tonight, it feels you waking up. Picture the landscape within you. A plane under storm. Clouds heavy with unfinished choices. Wind carrying the weight of every avoided truth. You stand in the center of it. Alive. Aware. No longer pretending it isn't there. The battlefield is not outside. It is your hesitation before action. Your silence when you should speak. Your retreat when you should step forward. This is where your life has been decided. Not by fate, by fear. And fear has ruled unchallenged. Until now, you are not unarmed. You carry awareness. And awareness is a blade. You carry focus. And focus is fire. You carry clarity. And clarity is armor. Name the fear. And it weakens. Face the doubt. And it loses authority. Claim the pain. And it becomes energy. This is not destruction. This is transformation. The mind was never meant to be a cage. It was meant to be a forge. A place where pressure creates strength. Where friction creates identity. Where struggle creates power. And in that forge, you are being remade. Understand this. Victory is not a single moment. The battlefield never disappears. But the warrior changes. And tonight you learn the truth. That ends the illusion. You are not the fear. You are not the doubt. You are not the voice that stops you. You are the one who sees it. And the mind that sees clearly cannot be ruled. Welcome to the war you were meant to fight. Every human mind carries it. Some ignore it. Some drown in it. Some surrender without knowing. But a few, a rare few, turn and face it. This journey is not comfort. It is confrontation, awareness, strategy, transformation. These are your pillars. Each chapter sharpens them. You will stumble. You will resist. You will question yourself. Good. That is the sound of the old structure breaking. Because the mind that fights with clarity becomes unstoppable. Feel the air now. Heavier. Clearer. Alive. The storm inside you is no longer hidden. You are walking into it willingly. The shadows still move. Fear. Memory. Comfort disguised as safety. They will speak again. They will tempt you back into sleep. But you have seen them. And once seen, they cannot rule the same way. Each step forward is victory. Each fear recognized is territory reclaimed. You will fall. Stand. You will doubt. Move anyway. Every struggle is instruction. Every confrontation is refinement. And tonight, you stepped forward. Tonight, you acknowledged the war. That alone changes everything. The battlefield waits. It has always been there. But tonight, you finally looked at it. Not with fear, with awareness. That changes the balance. Because the enemy survives in darkness. And you have turned on the light. There is no returning to sleep after this. No pretending you did not see it. No going back to the smaller version of yourself. The war is not ahead of you. It is already happening. And now, you are inside it consciously. Feel that. The air is sharper. The silence is louder. Your mind is awake. Step forward. Not because you are fearless, but because you see clearly. And clarity is stronger than fear. This is the moment everything divides. The life ruled by shadows, and the life ruled by awareness. You have crossed the line. There is no ceremony, no applause, only truth. You are awake now, and once awake, you do not go back. The battle is yours, and it has already begun. Silence.